Hello guys, I am Manoj Mishra. So I am back with another important concern. So today I will tell you about one of the important Excel file format, Excel binary format, which saves file in an extension called .xlsb. Right? You know why this is so important? Because it reduces file size up to 60%. I mean to say that if you save a file in normal Excel format, which is Excel workbook format, and if you are saving the same file with same data in Excel binary format, it will reduce the file size up to 60%. Alright, let me show you an example. So we have a file consolidated. Alright, so this is an Excel workbook file. So I am opening this file. So till the time it opens, I'll show you the file size. You can see file size is 56.2 MB. Alright, so we will save this file in Excel binary workbook, and we'll see how much is the size reduced. The file is open now. So let's save this file in Excel binary format. Go to File, Save As, Browse, and choose the Excel binary format. And location will be desktop only. Click on Save button. File is getting saved now. So now the file has been saved. Just close this Excel file, and you can see in the desktop I have two files. So one with .xlsx format and the other one is .xlsb format. So let's see the file size. Okay, so you can see the file size is now reduced to 22.8 MB. Right? It has almost reduced 34 MB from the previous version. Alright, so this is how you can reduce the file size by using Excel binary workbook format. Alright, so keep watching my videos. Till then, bye bye.